Hey everyone. Yeah, it's 11:11. Make a wish. So, anywho, I am in the car, really bored, and I don't really know what to talk about. I know this is random, but I'm thinking about getting highlights in my hair. But my mom said I should wait until like the end of summer because my hair lightens up anyway, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I know it's really damaging to your hair, but I think it'd be so pretty. Well, it's really nice out here and my mom's mowing, and so I'm just in the car. I don't even know why. I'm just chilling in the car. Did you see her mowing? Yep, that was her. I had like no time to get ready this morning, so I probably look like crap, but just try to ignore my face. Look at my my braid in my hair. Yeah. So I'm kind of like an organized person when it comes to planning things. So I'm going to this camp, and you will not like believe this, but okay, well at first it was gonna be at LA LA, I said folder, but I meant like workbook, but I didn't need it because I got it like towards the end of the year, and then we didn't even need it anymore. So I changed it to a camp 2011 event/planner guide. Oh my gosh. Mother, do your mowing elsewhere. Gosh. Okay, she's further away now. Yeah, so I have this whole notebook to do plans and events. And I already have this whole sheet and the whole back of this sheet. And I did that in like 15 minutes. Oh my gosh. It's really hard to make a video when she is mowing right next to me. I'm sorry if you guys think that this video is weird. I just decided to make it kind of choppy, like stop, go, you know, start, make it in different sections of the car. Yeah. Yep. So I'm in the little car mirror. Yeah. You see me? Ewy. My nose is peeling. Ew. I've gotten too much sun this summer. This fails at a spot that I can show a video. Coke. Coke. Only 104 calories per can. I'm kind of hyper if you can't tell. Yeah. I love Coke so much. It's probably in my bloodstream. Take note at the devil mower you can see right now. That is what has been disturbing my videos. Airbag. I want a Coca-Cola Ace. We're going through the car wash.
Mom, why'd you go yee?
I'm just having fun, okay?
Kaylee, are you playing this on YouTube?
Yes.
Mom, tell her not.
Oh, hey, please. She can do what she wants.
Scare me.
It is a little scary. Oh, there is a fly in here.
Die, fly, die. About to go by my favorite place, the high speed.
Oh, I love the
wind.
blow thing.
Yeah. Cool bear. Oh snap. Get scared.
Oh, I love this part. It's not scary.
So high pressured.
Wow, it really is, isn't it?
Yeah. Look at the Kung Fu Panda. He's like, I don't know what to do.
Hey, Kaylee.
Here.
Kaylee, the plastic thing right in the wall. Kaylee.
I know.
Be quiet.
Is that ours blowing away?
Wait.
Came off.
Right,
Put off
go.
right
It
now.
came off.
Oh, it pushes you right on out, doesn't it?
Well, that was fun. Okay. So I'm eating veggie straws, which are some like straw things because they have a hole in them. You can see the little hole. They're really, really good. Okay, so this one is supposed to be potato flavor, but it just tastes like a McDonald's fry. The green one is spinach. Also just tastes like a McDonald's fry. The red one is tomato. I'm going to show you orange is for this one. Which also tastes like a McDonald's fry. And I hate tomatoes. So, yeah. Definitely don't taste like tomatoes. These are good.